シロさん、元気ですか？あまり元気じゃないです。昨日、徹夜しました。大丈夫ですか？朝何か食べましたか？何も食べませんでした。じゃあ、あのカフェで何か食べませんか？そうですね。何か食べましょう。皆さん、こんにちは。In this video, we'll talk about 何か and 何も, which means something or anything. We'll learn the grammar points and then practice with the examples. Please also try some quizzes at the end of the video. Let's get started. Let's look at this simple positive sentence. I ate. 食べました. To say I ate something, we simply add 何か and say 何か食べました. Next, let's look at a question sentence. Did you eat? 食べましたか? To say, did you eat anything or something? Again, we use 何か and say 何か食べましたか? Now this time we have a negative sentence. I didn't eat. 食べませんでした. The word for anything in negative sentence is 何も. So I didn't eat anything is 何も食べませんでした. Now let's practice with more examples. Shiro told us that she stayed up all night yesterday, so we want to ask her, did you eat anything this morning? It would be 朝何か食べましたか? 朝何か食べましたか? Shiro wants to say, I didn't eat anything. So she would say, 何も食べませんでした。何も食べませんでした。Looks like there is a cafe, so we want to ask Shiro, would you like to eat something at that cafe over there? It would be, あのカフェで何か食べませんか? あのカフェで何か食べませんか? Next, Shiro told us she's good at singing. To ask her, please sing something. We'd say, 何か歌ってください。何か歌ってください。Shiro noticed that there is a $500 transaction with Amazon on the shared credit card statement. She wants to ask, did you buy something at Amazon recently? It would be, 最近 Amazon で何か買いましたか? 最近 Amazon で何か買いましたか? Shiro noticed that Luke talked with Darth Vader, and she wants to ask, did Darth Vader say anything? It would be, ダース・ベイダーは何か言っていましたか? ダース・ベイダーは何か言っていましたか? Luke wants to say, no, he didn't say anything. いいえ、何も言っていませんでした。いいえ、何も言っていませんでした。To say Luke doesn't know anything about this, it would be ルークは何も知りません。ルークは何も知りません。Now let's try some quizzes. Which is the correct phrase for Did you buy anything in Tokyo? Is it 東京で何か買いましたか? Or 東京で何を買いましたか? The correct answer is 東京で何か買いましたか? Remember that anything in a question sentence is 何か. Please also note that 東京で何を買いましたか would mean What did you buy in Tokyo? We would ask this question when we assume or already know that they bought something in Tokyo, and we want to know what they bought. Which is the correct phrase for I didn't buy anything? Is it 何も買いませんでした or 何か買いませんでした? The correct answer is 何も買いませんでした。Remember that anything in negative sentences is 何も。Please note that 何か in negative sentence is grammatically incorrect. Next, can you say, Shall I help you with something? The answer is 何か手伝いましょうか？何か手伝いましょうか？ Today we learned how to use 何か and 何も。Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。